Bazaar TV presents.
Hi guys, welcome to another video from Bazaar TV, and today I want to show you how to use Samsung GT-E1200R without backlight. So let's take a look. So main menu, go to setting, phone, keypad light, set time, always off. Always off. Next. Star hash 0 star hash. Press 7 key and right soft key. Done. This is Samsung E1200R without backlight. Main menu without backlight. Display 1, 2, 3, 4. Bazaar TV without backlight text message. Calendar here. Now backlight. Keypad lock. Backlight is working. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel Bazaar TV and press bell icon. Stay for more videos and peace out. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Was with you, Bazaar TV.